I'm off the couch, I'm on the road, and I'm on my way to another adventure somewhere between lost and found. Today I find myself on Highway 4 in Copperopolis, California at the Copper Valley Town Square. One of the grandest buildings in California Gold Rush country is the Town Hall in Copperopolis. The three-story brick veneer building is festooned with columns, balconies, and a clock tower. However, it never actually served as a town hall. It was built in 2008 to anchor a $53 million faux historic town center. It is part of a developer's vision of a massive new community here in the foothills of the Sierra Nevada. The heartbeat of Copper Valley is its town square. It's lined with shops, restaurants, day spas, wine tasting rooms, and hosts plenty of festivals and concerts along with other special events. Situated about 2 hours east of San Francisco, this Disneyesque version of a boomtown sits oddly by itself in a field along Highway 4. Each building is designed to look like a bunch of separate storefronts in different architectural styles, with touches to suggest that they have aged over the years, like a bricked-over window and a coat of plaster that appears to be weathering off of a stone wall. Well, I'm back home, I'm back on the couch and dreaming up another adventure. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash that bell, that way you're notified of our next video. We hope we see you again real soon.